Oh my god, it says Allah. Am I seeing this right? Does that say Allah? MashaAllah. Look guys, I just walked in and I just seen this now. Subhanallah. It's Wednesday today, it's my day off, so not much is happening today, but I've come out for a bit. I've just come to pick up my niece because she's got a dentist appointment, which I'm taking her Auntie Naz as always, so I'm just taking to her appointment. And the weather is quite dull. I think it's going to rain, so I want to be home quick as possible. We'll probably stop for a coffee after the dentist, see how my niece is feeling, and probably going to do some cooking tonight and spend the rest of the evening at home. So I hope you enjoy this vlog. Please like and subscribe if you like my videos. Definitely comment below any ideas what you guys want to see. I'll definitely try my best to make this video. Thank you so much for your support guys. I hope you enjoy this vlog today on my day off. Just been to Tesco now. We just stopped at Greg's. We just got 2 iced lattes and we got some potato veggies. We're just going to enjoy it in the car now, just with my niece. So just got a vanilla flavour iced latte. So we both got the same actually, didn't we, Misbah? Yeah. We both got the same. Take yours as well. So like, yeah, so it's iced lattes.
Sorry, I don't understand.
Oh, your phone's going off. But yeah, we're just going to enjoy it in the car. Since I've come back guys from the dentist, we went Tesco for a bit and then we had to get a few things, and I dropped my niece off home. We had an iced coffee from Greg's and now I'm home just having a little break. As you can see, I'm just making pasta. It's all in the oven now. So I had some chicken that I made for the pasta, so I thought I'll just make a little not a baguette but like a little roll, and just got some tea. I'll show you in a bit. I've got a delivery from H&M and I'm going to put those flowers in that wads there, just mix them up. So I'll show you in a second guys. Just going to have my break. I think I ordered something in the sale but I can't remember. I think it's some mugs or something, so let's open this up. Hard to do it with one hand guys, but I'll try my best. I always do massive boxes, I don't know why, but yeah, let's have a look. Beautiful mug guys, it was on sale. It's beautiful, isn't it? How pretty is that? Look, it's gorgeous. I love the colours. Let's have a look at the rest. This is the other mug I ordered guys. It doesn't have a handle but you can use it for like water, milk, drinks, pop, whatever you want really. But I just love the colour guys, and it was on sale. That looks beautiful against those flowers, doesn't it? Those flowers are from Aldi. They're not real, but I'm gonna mix them in with these flowers, give them a bit more colour. Yeah, let's show you everything. This is how it looks, guys. I don't want to overdo it, but I think it's perfect. I love the colours. I really like these branches. They're beautiful, aren't they? And these ones as well. And I put these ones new as well. The pink flowers. It gives you a bit of colour, just the right pop of colour. And I do like it. Let's get rid of this. Why is that in the way? I think that looks beautiful against the clock. Yeah. Oh my god, I've got to tackle this storeroom now. Well, yeah, my linen cupboard. I've got to sort all this out now, guys. What a mess. All done, guys. It doesn't look so much better, but it looks a bit better. It's meant to be like a little storeroom anyway. It's not meant to look really tidy. But these are just my blankets and my throws that I usually put on the bed. These are just a few bed sheets just for this bed only, and some cushion covers and stuff for the bed. And at the back I've just got my Quran and all my other books as well. And then this is just like, I've got extra soaps in here. Sorry, it's a bit dark in here. Extra soaps and stuff in here. Yeah, you can see extra soaps and everything in there. Just extra bathroom stock. That's just a washing up basket. Put all my washing up stuff here that I need to wash my clothes. That's just a miscellaneous miscellaneous what's that called, a miscellaneous box I suppose not boxes. Yeah, it's like a ottoman. Sorry, ottoman. I've got all my praying clothes in there, washed and everything. These are my bathroom mats. That's my gym bag, my iron, and I've just got my steamer in here. My home kind of jumpers that I wear in the morning, maybe cardigans. My shawl for the morning, and just some extra cardigans for the morning, guys. So yeah, it looks slightly better. It's organized in my own way, basically.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allah.